In a small village, every morning felt the same. School, laughter, and the sound of the river below the bridge. But one morning, the bridge was gone. No bridge meant no school, no work, and no way forward.
But days passed, and nothing changed. Everyone was waiting for someone else to fix it.
Then Amina said something no one expected. What if we help fix it ourselves?
Small hands began to do what adults had stopped believing in.
And then, something changed. Hope started spreading.
It wasn't perfect, but it worked.
A bridge is not just wood and rope. It is trust built together.